South Africa women cannot do that without Nigerian men. South Africa women cannot do without Nigerian men. Nigerian men. Oh, make I hear what? Okay. Which of the South Africa women are you talking about? I am not a fan of anybody downgrading a woman, regardless what the woman is, the tribe, the color, I don't care. But for the fact that she's a woman, I will never sit and watch any man downgrading a woman, because women are priceless. We are queens, and we should be treated like one. The fact that some people have lost themselves trying to do what I don't understand doesn't mean I will sit down and watch you downgrade a woman. You are so bragging with it. South African women cannot do it at Nigerian men. Now, let me ask you a question. Which of the South African women are you talking about? Because in every society, we have the high-class women, the middle-class women, the low-class women, and the zero-class women. So, which of the class of women are you talking about that cannot do it as Nigerian men in South Africa? Is it the high-class women? Never. The middle-class? Never. The low-class? 10%. The zero class, I will accept that. Because you people are here now telling us South African women are looking for Nigerian men. South African women are looking for Nigerian men. The way you people will also go there and start telling them we are tired of Nigerian women. Nigerian women are not this. Nigerian women are this. I know, Nana. I know what you people can do. You people will go there and spoil our name to them. Now you are here spoiling their name to us. Enemy of progress. Which of the women are you talking about? The doctors, the professors, the nurses, the top class, high class women, or the sex workers? South African women cannot do it at Nigeria. I mean, what class of women are you talking about? You guys are so full of yourself, just raising so that South African women cannot do. Which class? Can you marry a South African medical doctor woman? Can you? Can you marry a South African top class women? Can you? You feel afford them? You people want to use every opportunity to downgrade a woman. Meanwhile, you are the one sweet talking. You are using your mouth to talk all the sweet things on earth for the woman to accept you.
Women, it's very important to love and protect each other, guys. It doesn't matter where you come from. You're from Uganda, Canada, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Mozambique, Congo, Namibia, Malawi. It doesn't matter. You know, guys, we have so much power as women. If we can stand and protect each other, we can go far, guys. Listening to this Nigerian women, you know, she was talking about South African women. Most of the time, when we talk about Nigerian versus South Africa, they're always dragging each other, guys. You know, people will say South African women are so lazy. They don't have anything to offer beside their body, guys. We have so many women that are doing so well here. We have so many doctors, social work, chartered accountants, you know, lawyers, so many people that are doing so well in South Africa. Obviously, not everyone is going to do well in your country, same as Nigeria. I've seen a video that is currently trending. It was on TikTok. A few ladies, they were from Nigeria pretending to be South African in Canada, guys. You know, so you can see, you know, people that are selling their body is everywhere. It has nothing to do whether you're South African or you're Nigeria. You could be in Canada and still come in South Africa and still do the dirty job. Some though even go to Nigeria, so we cannot judge, guys. The future is pregnant with possibilities. So to see a fellow Nigerian praising South African women, I guess, Sana, it says a lot about these women. They can see that, yes, man, we are all the same. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.